Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make the most delicious lasagna roll-ups. Guys, if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for watching. Please go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you will not miss any of my delicious recipes. Those who are here, thank you so much for your support. These are my ingredients for the lasagna roll-ups, and they will be listed in the description box below. If you're ready, let's get started. To a pot of boiling water, I'll be adding 8 lasagna sheets. Cover and bring to a boil for about 6 to 8 minutes. In another pot, I'll be adding some oil, 1 medium diced onion, some fine thyme, some garlic, some basil, cilantro, and some habanero peppers, and give that a good stir. Mixed well and allowed to cook for about a minute. Then we will add our ground meat and some Worcestershire sauce, and make sure to mix that meat well and allow this to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now we will add 1 cup of basil garlic marinara sauce, 1 tablespoon of basil, and 3 tablespoons of roasted tomato, and that is sun-dried tomato, guys. The reason we're using only 1 cup of marinara sauce in the meat, because we're making roll-ups, we do not want the meat to be runny. We want a really nice thick consistency with a really rich flavor. Now to that, I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of roasted vegetable cream cheese, and we'll give that a good mix. Make sure everything is nice and well combined. I'll be adding some chicken bouillon, some cilantro, and some spinach. Give that a good stir. Make sure everything is nice and combined. Some smoked paprika, some Italian seasoning, and oregano. Mix that well and let that cook for an additional maybe 20 to 30 minutes. Now we will remove our pasta sheet from the pot and lay that in a Pyrex dish. Then I usually add just a little bit of pasta water to keep the pasta from sticking to each other. So now to make our filling, in a separate bowl we would add some ricotta cheese, roasted vegetable cream cheese, sharp cheddar, freshly grated parmesan, some basil and cilantro, and we will mix this well. Make sure all the cheeses are combined. Guys, this looks so good and it smells amazing. This is one delicious recipe you guys must try. So to our Pyrex dish or a pan, you guys will add some of the same marinara sauce. I'm adding the basil garlic to the bottom of the pan, and this will be our base. Make sure to coat the entire pan. So now we'll take our lasagna sheet, lay the cheese mixture first right over the top, spread that out. Then we will sprinkle a little bit of shredded cheese. I'm using cheddar and mozzarella. Then we will add our meat filling right on top. Guys, you see the consistency of the meat. That is the reason we only add a little bit of the marinara. Then we will sprinkle our cheddar and mozzarella right over the top. You can also choose whatever cheese you like. I sprinkle a little bit of basil, and I'll go ahead and give that a really tight roll. Look at that, guys. And we will do this for the rest of our lasagna sheets. Again, we spread our lasagna at the cheese filling, a little bit of shredded cheese, then our meat filling, and a little bit more of shredded cheese, some parsley or basil, and give that a really tight roll. Guys, you can make this a part of your Christmas dinner. Then we will add some of the marinara sauce right over the top, sprinkle our shredded cheese and our fresh herbs, and then we will place this in the oven, 350 degrees oven, for about 20 to 30 minutes covered. Remove the cover halfway through for the remaining of 10 minutes. And there it is, guys. Look at that. Absolutely delicious. Guys, you must give this recipe a try. Please let me know how yours turn out. Send me pictures, comments, and share this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and do enjoy the rest of your day. Bye bye.